Hi, my name is Diego. We are going to describe software development as a program that with in spot among this demand, carefully among final where playing 20% intents. First, I'm going to define the variable elsewhere, and I will assign letter D. Excuse me. The next there is the box, where I write hello, welcome to the band section Diego. Then there is other of the bots where I write, do you want to post sound a mob moment? Type is on They say the variable answer. Why the user answer? There. There is. There is. There are several conditions. There is a process in the two of the first condition. There is the box statement and data rate. The first condition is dog is X. In the dead box, the amount to deposit. The rate the amount to calculate interest and calculate final value. Independent percent per screen two tables. Any with discount, another one with the band maze. Thanks for using Diego Sensation. The second condition its answer is N O N. That is going to this display a that box were used to advertising to the end program. Yes, and where N O N or N violet screen present N to K to finish. Uh, there is and decreased software developed in the flowchart. Okay, by the last condition is where it now equal to n or s or case or less. Or case or case. And the algobots will appear saying is not valid. Invalid kernel press any key to continue. There is description of software developed in the flowchart. Okay, goodbye.